Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the video opens with a breathtaking winter scene. Two woodsmen, bundled in warm clothing, skillfully wields a chainsaw against a massive log. The rhythmic buzz of the saw echoes through the snow-covered forest behind them, creating a captivating contrast between man and nature. Is he burning the wood? Seeing how he carved them made me feel really satisfied. No matter how tall the tree is, it cannot make it difficult for this modern cutting machine. Look how smooth it looks. The semi-sharp saw blade of this machine makes cutting a rough piece of wood as easy as cutting a piece of cheese. Just simple pieces of wood painted with color can create a beautiful work of art. This woman must be a true artist. Do you like this wooden sculpture of dragon? It looks so simple, right? Perhaps the woodcutters really need a machine like this. A minigun. With each calculated cut, the log begins to take shape, revealing the majestic form of an eagle. The artist's passion and expertise are evident in every detail, from the powerful curve of the beak to the intricate feathers of the wings. As the final touches are made, the eagle emerges from the wood, a testament to the transformative power of human creativity. Indulge your senses in the soothing symphony of hand carving. The rhythmic tapping and scraping create a mesmerizing ASMR experience, transporting you to a state of tranquility and relaxation. And next, let's listen together. The whirring of the spindle and the smooth movement of the cutting tool create a unique ASMR soundscape. Watch as a skilled artisan transforms a simple block of wood into a stunning tulip. A masterpiece of wood art is here. This miniature masterpiece will soon become the centerpiece of a unique necklace, a testament to the artisan's creativity and precision. The artisan's skilled hands guide chisels and gouges, delicately carving each feather with precision and grace. As the wings take shape, you'll be mesmerized by the intricate details and the sheer artistry of the craft. If there are angels, of course, there must be demons, right? Amazing! Immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of ASM, or woodworking as a skilled artisan carves a spoon from a single piece of wood. Watch as the spoon takes shape, its smooth curves and delicate details emerging from the rough wood. This is a story about a creator, a beach, an in-spring driftwood, how it all came together. To make a happy ending. How to make Dr. Stranger's necklace.